As you know, we've used server-side programming throughout the course, and that's very useful in Ajax because in Ajax you don't just want to download a static text file necessarily or a static XML data file. Instead, you want to be able to pass data to the server and have that data processed in some way on the server and data sent back to you. In other words, you want to be able to use code on the server, scripting code of some kind. And in this course, we've used PHP for that purpose. We're going to take a look at PHP now for those interested in the topic and interacting with PHP on the server using Ajax, and we've already seen examples of that. For example, this options.html application allows the user to select color schemes, and color scheme 1 is red, green, blue, color scheme 2, black, white, and orange, and you can let the user select from color schemes to color the text. This was all done using XML behind the scenes in a PHP file, options.php, and this is what it looked like. And what we're going to do now is go through this kind of work to see how this script does its work with the if statement and echo statements and for each statements and so forth. I'm going to take a look at how PHP works as an introduction to the topic to get you started on good working knowledge. In case you want to put it to work, it's probably the most commonly used server-side scripting language with Ajax. And we're going to take a look now at how PHP does its stuff, starting with the echo statement and so forth in the next couple of movies. And here is a beginning version of a PHP script. And as we're going to see, you can use the markup angle bracket question mark PHP and close with question mark angle bracket. And you can call various PHP functions. This is a built-in function called PHP info. It displays information about the PHP installation, and here is what that web page looks like in a browser. And it tells you all kinds of data about the PHP installation. You're going to need to work with a PHP-enabled server in this part of the course. And so if you can find a PHP server and upload your PHP files, you'll be fine. Otherwise, you can go to php.org, www.php.org, and download it and install PHP yourself if you prefer. But in any case, you're going to definitely need a PHP-enabled server in this part of the course. And your ISP may already support PHP. Most of them now do. So if you are in doubt, ask your tech support staff of your ISP whether or not PHP is supported. This is a good test script right here. This is PHP html.php, and it just calls the PHP info function inside this markup, and it gives you this kind of a result. So if you can see this kind of result, you're obviously doing fine.